Hey there. Hey there. Something fun today, I think, because I really like lever locks, and that's what this is. This small, cute Burg Wächter padlock has, I think, 5 levers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll check later after I have opened it. A friend sent this to me to ask me to pick it open because he accidentally locked the key on the shackle, and well, I think most of us do that with our padlocks. We put the key on the shackle. Only with most locks there's a nice ring that you can just slide off. This shackle went through the key bow, so the key is stuck. Well, like I said, he sent it to me, asked me if I could try to pick it open, which I will try to do now. I just got some wire I had lying around. I don't think it's necessary for this type of lock. It shouldn't be too hard to bend something custom. So let's see. It is locked. I think that was a little bit of movement already. More movement. I don't know how far it... Oh, it's open, I think. Let's check. It is. Well, like I expected, not too difficult. In what was I about to say? Not too difficult. No anti-pick features on the levers. Like on a lot of levers, I did have to tap them multiple times, just work them up. Because they tend to drop a little bit when you set other levers. That's just the way it is, I think, with lever locks. Let's remove the key first, and maybe I can show you. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see what's happening on the inside. Maybe we can see. There we go. Well, that's the don't remember the name, holding the thing in place. Somehow it doesn't want to open. Ah, there we go. Something funny going on. There we go. Let's see if I can see how many levers are in here. That's hard. The copper you see is actually the spring. It's a leaf spring pushing down on all the levers at once, and yeah, that's probably why I have to reset, tap the levers a couple of times, because that lever will push hardest on the highest lever, and sometimes it drops. Just happens. Let's remove this so you can see the cover. Really nice. I like these guys. This is the first one I've picked. I've been thinking of getting one of these just to play with. I think they look fun. They're not that difficult. Nice entry into lever lock picking, I think. Not that much of a challenge, but I do really like the Burg logo. Very nice. Maybe I can see something in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think 5 levers. Also check the key, of course. 1, is that a lever? I think that's more kind of a warding. Yep, there's some space between the levers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, is it 4? Well, if you know, I'm not going to open this up. This is not my padlock. If you know, maybe you can tell me in the comments how many levers are in there. I think it's 4 or 5. Well, it's open. So my friend is happy. I'm happy. Fun pick. And like as always, thank you for watching. Bye bye.